Okay, we're on the bonus tab. Let's go to the view menu, toolbars and formula auditing. And let's select cell L5 and click the evaluate formula button. And let's click evaluate a couple of times. And then close. And now let's select H8 and click the trace dependence button. There it is. Oh, that one. There we go. And now let's click the trace precedence. And now click the remove all arrows button. And now let's close the formula auditing toolbar. And we want to click in any cell and press Ctrl G and select special and click constants. And we want to clear the text, logical and errors boxes and click OK. And now let's click on the prices tab and select A2 to A13. And let's click in the name box and type products and press enter. And then let's go back to the sales tab and click in A3, and let's go to the data menu, validation, and on the settings tab let's select the allow drop arrow and click on list, and in the source let's type equals products, and we want to make sure that ignore blank and in cell drop down checkboxes are selected, and then click OK. And now click the drop arrow for A3 to see the list, and let's click on Microsoft PowerPoint. And now let's click the copy button and select A2 to A11 and go to the edit menu and select paste special and check validation and OK, and then the escape key to clear the copy. And now click in H2 and let's go to the data menu and validation, and on the settings tab click the allow drop arrow and select date, and let's type equals today and then open and close parentheses in the start date, and in the end date we want to type equals today open and close parentheses -28. And then let's go to the error alert tab, and from the style arrow let's select warning, and let's type date limitation in the title box, and in the message box we'll type please enter a date during the past 4 weeks, and then we'll click the OK button. And now with H2 selected, let's type the date 9/11/2001 and press enter. And let's select yes for the message box, and now click off of H2 and go to the view menu and toolbars, and let's select customize and formula auditing, and close. And now click the Circle Invalid Data button. And there's our piece of invalid data. And now click the Clear Validation Circles button, and where we can close the auditing toolbar and save.